over there when they were real young, they may not eat rice very often.
Yeah, but there's still some Filipinos here that they can live without rice. For example,
Anybody
like Mugs. Shout out Miss Mugs.
Anybody. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Anybody can live without rice or potatoes. That's a starchy thing, and it's got full of sugar, and everything else is bad for you. McDonald's, bad for you. Every once in a while, I guess is okay.
Yeah.
But not really. I mean, let's face it. It's made with trans fats, and trans fats make you die.
Yeah.
Make you have diabetes.
But at least me, I don't eat it. Hamburger.
You don't eat hamburgers, but you eat greasy food.
Pizza. Not
you
really all greasy.
You eat fats. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Well, sorry.
It's alright. You eat, put it back. It's okay. You eat fatty foods.
Yeah, but not every time.
I
don't worry about it because I'm not high blood.
No, you're not high blood.
Yeah, that's why. But I slow down, like whenever we eat shrimps.
But back home, when I was growing up, we had chitlins and grits, which is corn, for breakfast and stuff, and chicken neck, and the parts that you like.
Yeah.
They were okay and everything, but everybody wanted the meat.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Tino Yarrow.
Why I want to turn left?
No, turn right.
Oh, 200 meters.
Oh, yeah.
It does turn left. It goes around the corner to the right, and then it turns left.
Yeah. That's what she meant.
Yeah.
200 meters.
Really, we don't turn here. It just acts like it turns.
Take the second left onto Tino Yarrow.
Tino Yarrow.
Maybe she meant here on that shortcut, right?
Maybe.
I think that's what she meant.
No, the second left, it said, not this one, that one.
Yeah, that one.
Tino Yarrow's there. Tino Yarrow's here.
Yeah. That's what she meant there, lady.
In front of Santa Monica Church. Santa Monica Parish.
We're here in Mexico already.
We're in Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico.
Santa Monica Parish. Turning to the left. There's a Jollibee up ahead and a 7-Eleven. And a Converge is around the corner.
Yeah, McDonald's.
All the things you need are right here.
Yeah.
But if you go back straight instead of having to go back like towards Santa Ana, and you don't turn, you just go straight in, that is Mexico City right there.
Yeah.
And they got all the good things, all the pure gold and all that stuff is down that way. It's pretty nice down in there.
Where?
Back there at Mexico City. It's the city. It's Mexico City.
Everything is there also. And even in Santa Ana, there's a pure gold there.
Yeah, everything's in Santa Ana, but there's more there.
Yeah. Because Mexico is bigger than Santa Ana.
Yeah.
A lot of barangays, Santa Ana only have 14 barangays. But then it's still, it's also growing, there's a lot of, what do you call the establishment build? They build a lot of establishments.
Yeah, it's grown since I've been there.
Yeah.
And I can see things getting built there.
Yeah.
But not much. I don't think so.
It is before that even compare that.
But there's not much right now. Not much building.
Yeah, not building, but stuff like Save More, Getty.
But compared to Mexico, it's not very big. But Mexico is gigantic. It goes all the way to Magalang.
Yeah, it's really big.
That's a long way. And then it goes all the way to the highway up there, past the highway, or I call it a highway. It's called the NLEX, the toll road. It goes past the toll road, way back in there, a long way, to the end of Pampanga, and then San Fernando is the capital, so it's right next door. That's why it's so big. San Fernando is right here at SM City. It starts where we're going actually. To San Fernando. everybody out here. I wonder where that goes. Oh, I know where that goes. That goes back here to that road we ain't done.
Yeah.
Anyway, there was a converge back there. Yeah, well, I know we're not showing you this stuff. But we're
Yeah.
I've already showed it to you. I've already showed it to you on the fast go, and the slow go. So we thought we'd talk to you and let you have some talking heads here.
Yeah, and I have mosquito net here. Electric.
Yeah, and she
shock.
shocked me twice already with it.
No, I did not.
Yeah, didn't you see my skin go ring?
No, I
Guys, she
didn't.
did.
I'm killing a mosquito, guys.
She says she's killing a mosquito on me, and then she shocks me, and my heart almost stops. See? She wants to do it in front of the camera, but she won't.
Yeah, but I can't do it because I love you, you know that. That's sweet.
Then why did you do it a while ago?
I did.
See? She's going to do it. Well, I'm telling you, folks, she's going to wind up doing it here in a minute. Because she keeps on getting closer and closer.
You touch it. It's not on.
I'm going to make you be the culprit.
It's not on.
I'm going to make you be the bad guy in this thing.
It's not on, Daddy. Look.
I know, Mama.
I don't want to do that ever.
So, we're almost to SM City.
Lagundi. We're at Lagundi.
We're at what?
Lagundi, Mexico.
Yeah, we're still in Mexico all the way to SM City. And then when we pass SM City, we're in San Fernando.
Yeah.
Actually, the line goes right in the mall.
Yeah. The road here is actually bad. You know. I don't know why.
Oh yeah, this road is. It might even knock the phone down
it.
again. Guys might take another ride.
Yeah, I don't know why they're not fixing it. Right?
I don't know, but it's flooded here too. Maybe. Thanks for holding that.
But if they do fix it, you know, of course you need to slow down because of the road, and then that's the cause of traffic also.
It does. I mean, you had to crawl through there, or you'll bust a tire.
You think people won't get tired looking at us, seeing us?
No. I think that people want to see us. Yeah, okay, guys, if you're tired of seeing us, let us know on the comments down below.
Yeah.
You know, that's how you do it. If you don't want to see us anymore, we'll take pictures of everything. We don't mind that.
Yeah.
I've got plenty of pictures of everything else. So.
Yeah. So we will see them later because, you know.
Because, you know.
You know.
So what are we doing? We're going to the...
Yeah, emission testing. Yeah,
facility
on your car.
by our little they're gonna see if it's smoking.
Yeah, and then you go to?
It's not smoking, and then we're gonna go to the LTO from there and turn that in and get my registration for the year.
Yeah.
Which I just got.
And your license, right?
And my driver's license today. So I had to have a physical too. So it's an all day. It's an all day thing. We're gonna do
all day.
All day thing, and there's no way around it. And maybe we'll get done today. If we don't, guess what happens? We have to come back.
See you next week.
See you next time that we're going down the road. Anyway, we're next to SM City, and they're doing work. They're always working on SM City, ain't they?
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, there's always doing something too.
That's SM. We're in SM.
We're at SM City, and then the next place we come to is the grocery store, like Sam's Club. What's it called again?
SNR?
SNR.
Yeah, SNR.
SNR's next, and that's imports. And that's where I want to go next.
Yeah.
If we get done in time, though, we're going to go there.
Yeah. Sure you're not tired?
I'm not dead. Dead tired.
So we will cut this.
Because it's hot. How much time?
It's 14 minutes.
Oh, yeah. So,
so
guys,
we will see you again.
I'm going to cut this down, so we'll end it like this.
Yeah.
Guys, subscribe to my channel.
Please.
It's free. It don't cost anything.
Yeah.
And I know if you're watching it this far, you like my videos, so and Betty's videos, because she does a lot of these. Y'all just don't know it. And I take them and put them on my video. But anyway, Subscribe, it's free. Hit the like button, the thumbs up, or down, because they like that too.
Yeah.
And make a comment. The comment's what really helps us, because if you tell us what we're doing wrong, or if we need to repronounce something, or show you the difference,
or slow
it down, let us know.
Yeah.
Let us know. And if you want to, just back it up and listen again. Maybe you'll get it. I'm just kidding. You guys have a great day.
Yeah,
bye, YouTube.
Let's take a picture so our on a thumbnail. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. God bless.
See you later.